Hey guys, Jarrett Vanderwerf here with MarineMax. Today I want to show you our 2018 24 MXZ. The boat is in purple metal flake. It's a beautiful boat and I can't wait to show you the inside. Alright guys, so on the back of the boat you see you've got your reverse camera. This is good for anytime you're in the water hanging out. You can watch the kids playing, or you can also watch your surfer from here. Underneath the boat, some more safety things. You've got your surf pipe. This keeps everybody safe. They're not breathing in any extra fumes they don't need. The boat's equipped with surf gate. This allows you to surf and keeps the boat from listing one way or another. Alright, so in the front of the bow of this boat, you guys see there's plenty of room for activities. I like to say this is a separate conversation area. You can put all the kids up here. They love to ride up front. You can fit 4 or 5 of them and then leave the adults in the back to have their conversation. A couple nice features up here. You've got your plugs on both sides to charge your phones. This boat is equipped with a bow ladder here. So if you guys do beach the boat, you can get in from the front. They're nice foldable armrests too when you're hanging out. Alright, so here at your helm, a couple key features I want to point out to you. You've got your bolstered seat here, which is nice to help you see, but on top of that, this boat actually has a power seat. So you're just going to push this button and it'll actually raise and lower the seat if you're surfing. Make sure you can see over that bow. Everything on your dash is going to be controlled with this one module here. You can go surf left, surf right, turn the music down, turn your speed up. Anything you want to do is just all with a click of one button, one hand. Alright, so looking at your Rev 10s here, these are aftermarket speakers. They're going to be super loud. You're going to be able to hear these things for miles on the water. You've got 13 cup holders throughout the cockpit of the boat. You've got chargers everywhere on both locations here. Also going to have wake view seating, so if you want to set up the whole family to watch the surfer, you're just going to pull this back and this is going to turn into a whole across the seat seating here, give you that rear view. If you're wanting to get in and out of the boat, Malibu made it super easy to save your upholstery. That way you're not stepping on stuff. Just flip down your seat here and out you go. Again, my name is Jarrett Vanderwerf. I'm proud to bring you guys this 2018 Malibu. If you have any questions, please give me a call. You can see our full inventory online.